Okay, fight again. Sorry, low memory. Daming videos eh. Hindi ka naman pwedeng i-delete yung iba because gusto ko din naman mapanood yung mga videos. Wala lang. Okay? Asa na ako? To continue. Ano yun? I guess I ended with the part na the intention was to help everyone, I guess. I don't really know kung paano yun i-explain. Kasi hindi ko na din alam eh. Why I only got 8 minutes to say everything kasi wala na akong memory. So yun, just let me say na hindi ako galit, hindi ako nagtatampo. I understand. I have my mistakes. I was wrong. Yes, I was wrong. And pathetic lang talaga. Kasi alam ko, yun na yung sitwasyon eh. Paano ba? Hindi ko na ma-explain. Hindi ko na alam kung anong i-explain ko kasi all those times that we're having these crazy conversations, I am explaining every time. Tapos, wala akong nakukuhang explanation from you guys. So, I'm a bit saddened. Wala lang. Naiintindihan ko naman eh. So, walang problema dun. Ano ba? Then, I don't have regrets. Because I enjoyed everything. I was happy. And I was being true. Somehow. I tried. But I guess it wasn't enough. I guess it wasn't the right time. Right time, I guess. Maybe it's not the kind of setup that both of us wanted to have. Maybe kung hindi mo lang mahal si Mai and hindi lang ako stuck sa idea na God, how I hate it to admit. Hindi lang ako stuck sa idea na I am very sorry sa nangyari sa amin ni RJ. Because ngayon ko lang naiintindihan talaga na it was my fault. It was my fault losing everything that we have. We had pala. I'm hopeful na mapapatawad ko sarili ko. Mapapatawad ko si RG. And I'll be learning to unlearn the things that I am used to. I don't have regrets. I was thankful in fact. And I can't say anything more. Kasi nasasabi ko naman lahat eh. Just want you to know na I've been very honest. sa'yo. I've been very honest sa mga pinagsasabi ko, sa mga ginagawa ko. I'm sorry I'm just this. I wasn't enough. I'm not trying to be tawag doon, having this self-pity on me. I'm not trying to do that because I've been aware. I know. And ano ba? Thank you. Really. I'm sincere. I mean every word that I've been saying. And yes, we're still friends. If you would like to have that idea still, you know where I am. You know where kung saan ako hanapin. And ano ba? I didn't lie to you. I didn't betray you. I try hard to keep my promises, and I think and I still believe na I've been keeping my promises because that's the only thing na masasabi ko sa sarili ko na magagawa kong mabuti. Kasi hindi naman ako nangangako na hindi ko kaya eh. But then there are some circumstances na hindi ko control. Sorry, I was busy talking to Ivo last night. Hindi ko napansin na pinakailaman ni Joanne yung phone ko. Hiniram niya kasi. Nag-insert siya ng sun. So, all those times na sa kanya yung phone ko, I thought, ka-text niya lang si Mai. And I was just pissed off nung sinabi niya sa akin na nabasa niya lahat. Not entirely, siguro, pero nagbasa siya doon, and that was stupid, and that was really, basta, ang tawag doon, walang respeto ba sa privacy ng tao? Kasi hindi naman lahat maiintindihan ni Joanne eh, no matter how I tried explaining, hindi niya naiintindihan. Hindi ko din naman siya ma-blame. And at the same time, hindi din ako ma-blame ng tao if may mga bagay na hindi ako maintindihan. But then, as I was saying, wala akong hindi maintindihan basta ini-explain lang sa akin. And I'm good. I'm good. I'm sorry if hindi naman ako nag-lie. May mga bagay lang na hindi ako sinabi sa'yo. I tried my best. If it wasn't my best, I did try hard to work things out. Really. Nag-effort din naman ako, I guess. And then, wala. Maybe, eto lang talaga. It was meant to happen. And I'm with so much acceptance of what's happening. And I don't have anything bad in my mind. Wala. My friend, ano ba pwede kong sabihin sa'yo? Thank you. I've always been thankful sa'yo for the friendship, and please, ni minsan hindi ko nakalimutan na kaibigan kita.